Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'll be explaining what's leverage trading. A lot of people they get leverage trading wrong, and I've been seeing a lot of people doing the same mistake. They're just opening a 10x leverage, 20x leverage. If and they don't know why they're opening a 20x leverage. They just want to make a lot of money real fast. So let's start on what is leverage. Leverage is a tool that allows you to have more money than what you actually have. So how is that? Let's say you have $1,000. Okay, let's put this into context. You have $1,000 and you open a 10x leverage. What does that mean? That means you have $10,000. So I'll repeat this again. If you have $1,000 and you open a 10x leverage, basically you have $10,000. You're trading with a $10,000. If you have 20x leverage, you have $20,000. So could you imagine trading with $1,000 and leveraging it up to $20,000 just by going 20x? Okay, but a lot of people they don't know when they're gonna get liquidated and how to calculate it by just looking at charts. How could you calculate it by just looking at charts? We'll explain everything today. So if the trade goes in your favor and you open the 20x leverage, you're gonna make a lot of money. But if it goes against you, you're gonna lose real fast. So I tried opening like big leveraging. Like I used to leverage 40x, and I used to do 1,000%. If you're gonna open if you're gonna open a 40x leverage and you're aiming to do 1,000%, that's around 24%. If you're gonna get a 24% move on the charts, let me explain what. So let's get this little measurement and let's see. Okay, so let's say you long Bitcoin right now from 117,500 all the way to 140. You're gonna do 1,000%. Okay, hear me out. So if you toss in $1,000 with 40x leverage, you're gonna do 10,000. Okay, so that's leverage trading. And with leverage trading, you gotta be cautious. Of course, it's not for beginners. I don't advise like anyone just starting trading to go directly leveraging. You could go low leverage, 1x, 2x. That's to just dip your fingers and understand more how to use leverage, because a lot of people get it twisted and they just want to make a lot of money real fast. So they're just gonna leverage the heck out of their trades, but I don't recommend it. If you want to learn more about leveraging and deep about it, just add me in my Instagram, and I post my leverages over there. I make sure to add what type of leverages you guys should take, what's your take profit, what stop loss you could use. But let's get into it. Let me give you a more deep understanding of what is leverage. Okay, so for example, let's use x20. Okay, I'll just use x20 as the leverage. Okay, let's say you open a 20x leverage. Okay, where you're gonna get liquidated and where you're gonna make money. Okay, let's say you open a 20x short. Okay, where you're gonna get liquidated, where you're gonna double your money. Let's do a quick math. So let's say we're shorting over here. Okay, what's a 20 times 5? That's 100. Whenever you're gonna reach 100, that's your liquidation price, keep in mind. Okay, so we said 20 times 5, So you're gonna get liquidated as soon as you hit 123. So whenever you're gonna open leverage, you could calculate it real quick. If 10x leverage, you're just gonna multiply it by 10, that's 100, and you need 10% to get liquidated, and you need 10% to double your money. So let's say you open a 20x. Over here, you already doubled your money. 110. 105, it's a 200%, because 20 times 10, that's 200. So a lot of people, they don't know, they just go 20x leverage or 10x leverage or 16 or 15. I've been seeing it all day, and I'm 100% confident a lot of people, they don't know what they're doing. They're just choosing any number that comes out. And I want to make sure that you understand this as well. If you stayed until the end of this video, let me give you an extra tip. So where do I use high leverage trading and low leverage trading? Okay, when do I use this? When do I use this? So for example, you need to understand the volatility of what you're trading. So for example, let's say we're trading Bitcoin. Okay, is it volatile as gold, or is it less volatile? Of course it's less volatile. Okay, let's go ahead on the daily chart and explain it. So with gold, why could I go 20x? Because look, it goes 3% in how long? In 2 weeks. It's been only 3%. But what about Bitcoin? In 2 weeks, 20%. Okay, so it's a whole different game. Okay, we went just in 2 weeks, 17%. So whenever the chart is volatile, just go low leverage. Whenever the chart is less volatile, go high leverage. So it's the opposite. Okay, let's go to any altcoin. Let's say those shit coins. I don't trade them, but I just want to explain on them. Let's say WIF, okay, or fart coin, or whatever those shitty coins people trade. Okay, on the 4-hour charts, it moves like crazy. It moves 20%. So for example, in this chart, what you're gonna do? Are you gonna take high leverage or low leverage? I'd recommend you going low leverage, because you want to protect your capital, of course. In trading, just don't focus only on the profits. Focus on saving your capital, then stack up the money. But again, focus on saving yourself and protecting your capital. Let's go along over here. Let's say you take 2x. That's nothing, 2x, okay? If you take 2x on this chart, what's gonna happen is, why are we taking 2x? Why are we not taking 15x? I'll explain why. First of all, if you just go 2x, you're gonna make 30% in profit, and that's good. Okay, how we calculated 30%? Because it's 2 on, as you could see over here, it's 15% move, and you're just taking it in a couple hours, so it's probably 4 hours each candle, so that's probably 16 hours, and you're gonna get a 30%. Okay, as we were saying, you need to protect yourself from the downside, and you are protecting yourself on the downside. If you're going only 2x, you're only risking 8%. So if you're going 4% over here times 2, that's 8%. Okay, let's say you're just gonna go crazy on it and you're gonna go 10x. Okay, you could make 150%, but as well you could lose your capital 40%. And if you lose 40%, the next trade you need 80% to make your money back. So that's why I'm telling you, just go low leverage, play it safe. You're here to win, okay? And if you want to take some risk, take some risk, but build some cushion first. Build some cushion, then do whatever the heck you want to do, okay? So that's a high volatile coin, okay? Let's go on gold. Gold has less volatility. Then over here you can higher your leverage. Now, okay, you could go 20x. Why? Let me tell you why. Let's say I have my stop over here. I'm just risking less than 20. Okay, how you calculate it? It's 20 times. Let me type it down so you could understand. 20 times 0.86 equals, you do the math, but that's the calculation. If you're gonna go 20x leverage, you're gonna time it by 0.86%, which is less than 1%. If it's 1%, that means you're risking 20%. Okay, on the other side, how much you're gonna gain if the trade goes on your favor? You're gonna gain almost 2%. So how do you calculate it? Same thing, 20 times 1.78, and it's gonna give you your number. So that's it, and this is how you calculate your leverage. I don't recommend leverage for for beginner traders. I don't recommend leverage trading for beginners. Just take your time in trading, save your capital, don't rush into it. I know it's exciting and there is a quick money, and a lot of you are here for the quick money, but take your time in trading. Make sure you win the game. Take your time in trading. And thank you all for coming here today, and I hope you learned something new, and see you on the next one. Peace.